Roger Federer, born the 8th of August 1981, is a Swiss former professional tennis player. He was ranked as the world No. 1 in men's singles by the Association of Tennis Professionals (ATP) for 310 weeks and second most of all time, including a record 237 consecutive weeks, and finished as the year-end No. 1 5 times. Federer won 103 singles titles on the ATP Tour, the second most since the start of the Open era in 1968, including 20 major men's singles titles, among which a record 8 men's singles Wimbledon titles and an Open era joint record 5 men's singles US Open titles, 28 Masters, and 6 year-end championships. For nearly 2 decades, Federer was a leading figure in men's tennis alongside Rafael Nadal and Novak Djokovic. Collectively known as the Big Three, a Wimbledon junior champion in 1998 and former bald boy, Federer won his first major singles title at Wimbledon in 2003 at age 21. For the next several years, Federer was the dominant player in men's tennis, playing in 20 out of 24 major singles finals between 2004 and 2009. He won 3 of the 4 majors and the Tour finals in 2004, 2006, and 2007, as well as 5 consecutive titles at both Wimbledon and the US Open. Federer completed the career Grand Slam at the 2009 French Open after 3 consecutive runner-up finishes to Nadal, his main rival until 2010. At age 27, he surpassed Pete Sampras's record of 14 major men's singles titles at Wimbledon in 2009. Federer and Stan Wawrinka led the Switzerland Davis Cup team to their first title in 2014, following their Olympic doubles gold victory at the 2008 Beijing Olympics. He also won a silver medal in singles at the 2012 London Olympics, finishing runner-up to Andy Murray. After a half-year hiatus in 2016 to recover from knee surgery, Federer returned to tennis, winning 3 more majors over the next 2 years, including the 2017 Australian Open over Nadal and a record 8th singles title at the 2017 Wimbledon Championships. At the 2018 Australian Open, Federer became the first man to win 20 major singles titles and shortly after the oldest ATP World No. 1 at the time, at age 36. In September 2022, he retired from professional tennis following an appearance at the Laver Cup. A versatile all-court player, Federer's grace on the court made him popular among tennis fans. Originally lacking self-control as a junior, he transformed his on-court demeanor to become well-liked for his graciousness, winning a record 13 Stefan Edberg Sportsmanship Awards and a record 19 consecutive ATP fans' favorite awards from 2003 to 2021. Federer was awarded the Laureus World Sportsman of the Year a joint record 5 times and was named one of Time's 100 most influential people in the world twice in 2007 and 2018. Outside of competition, Federer played an instrumental role in the creation of the Laver Cup team competition. He is also an active philanthropist, having established the Roger Federer Foundation, which targets impoverished children in southern Africa, and raising funds in part through the Match for Africa exhibition series. By the end of his career, Federer was listed by Forbes as one of the world's 10 highest-paid athletes 12 times and ranked first among all athletes with $100 million in endorsement income in 2020. In August 2025, estimates published by Forbes indicated that Federer, with a net worth of $1.1 billion, boosted by his minority stake in Swiss shoe and apparel Brandon, had become the 7th billionaire athlete in history. Federer was born on the 8th of August 1981 in Basel, Switzerland. A member of the Federer family, his Swiss father, Robert Federer, is from Berneck in the canton of St. Gallen, and his Afrikaner mother, Lynette Federer, is from Kempton Park, Gauteng, in South Africa. He has one sibling, his older sister, Diana, the mother of twins. Since Federer's mother is South African, he holds both Swiss and South African citizenship. He is related to Swiss prelate Urban Federer as well as Swiss politician and philanthropist Barbara Schmid-Federer. As youngsters, Federer and his elder sister Diana used to accompany their parents, both of whom worked for Ciba Geigy Pharmaceuticals, to the company's private tennis courts at the weekends, where he first played tennis at the age of 3. Soon after enrolling in school at the age of 6, Federer became the best in his age group. Feeling that Federer had outgrown the Ciba Club and needed to be amongst better juniors, his mother Lynette enrolled him at age 8 in the elite junior program of the Old Boys Tennis Club in Basel, where he received his initial tennis instruction from veteran Czech coach Adolf Kakowski. Federer began using a one-handed backhand from an early age, not only because Kakowski was a fan of it, but also because all of his childhood idols Stefan Edberg, Boris Becker, and later Pete Sampras used the stroke too. From ages 8 to 10, Federer received group and individual training from Kakowski. At age 10, Federer began being taught at the club by Australian former tennis player Peter Carter. Federer has credited Carter for his entire technique and coolness. he was brought to train at the Swiss National Tennis Center, then located in Koblenz in the canton of Vaud, between 1995 and 1997. It was in this new setting that he learned French at the age of 14. He completed his compulsory education at La Planta Secondary School in Chavance-Prez-Rennes and obtained his certificate in July 1997 in the Upper Division Commercial Studies section. Personal life: Federer is married to former Women's Tennis Association player Miroslava Federer, whom he met while they were both competing for Switzerland at the 2000 Sydney Olympics. Usually called Mirka, she retired from the tour in 2002 because of a foot injury. They were married at Winkenhof Villa in Ria near Basel on the 11th of April 2009, surrounded by a small group of close friends and family. In 2009, she gave birth to identical twin girls. They had another pair of twins in 2014, this time fraternal twin boys. Their children were baptized in the Catholic faith by Federer's distant cousin Monsignor Urban Federer, who is the abbot of Einsiedeln Abbey. When they met, Mirka's dedication to training far outstripped his own, since she was training for up to 6 hours a day, while Federer was unable to do the same because he would lose interest within an hour. At the time, Federer used to watch her training, but was more just admiring it rather than thinking I could do the same one day, to be quite honest. It was quite some time until he developed a similar mentality to that of Mirka's. Federer owns an apartment in Dubai. A major factor in his decision to purchase this property was the hot weather in Dubai, since training at high temperatures would help him to get accustomed to playing in extreme heat. He also owns two properties in his native Switzerland, one of which is a modern ski chalet in the Swiss Alps, and the other a penthouse apartment in Zurich. Federer is sponsored by Mercedes-Benz and has said that his favorite vehicle is the Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG Roadster. Like all male Swiss citizens, Federer was subject to compulsory military service in the Swiss Armed Forces, which was mandatory for all able-bodied male citizens when they reached the age of majority. And so Federer was drafted when he turned 18 in 1999. However, he was soon discharged due to a chronic back problem. In 2003, Federer was ruled unsuitable and was subsequently exempted from his military service obligation. Instead, he served in the Civil Protection Force and was required to pay 3% of his taxable income. more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.